Hi everyone, Teacher Alexi here. I just finished class and I think it's time for
Doodle, the doodle of the day.
Today we're going to draw one of the cutest Pokemon, a starter Pokemon with a fiery personality. Can you guess who it is? Yup, that's right, we're drawing Charmander!
Charmander!
Grab your pencil and follow along. You ready to draw Charmander? Let's go! Step 1 is 2 curved lines like this. 1, and on the other side, 2. Awesome! Now we're going to connect those 2 curved lines with a big dome shape. Awesome! Now that we have Charmander's head shape, we can start to draw his arm. So I'm going to draw a curved line over here for his shoulder and a tiny little curve for his arm peeking out. Now we're going to draw his back over here, and then we're going to go back to the arm and draw this curve over there. We're going to extend this curve down and move on to drawing Charmander's foot. Perfect! And I think now's the right time to start drawing his tail. So Charmander's facing back, so his tail is going to be coming from over here. Awesome! Another curved line over there. Perfect! Now let's move on and give Charmander a cute little booty. So we're going to draw a curved line over here and another one over here. Now we're going to draw the flame at the end of Charmander's tail. So let's draw a small flame shape. And I like to put a little heart in the middle. Let's draw Charmander's eye. And his eyes are very iconic with its curved triangle shape. Just like that. Alright? And then let's draw the second eye. It's going to be just a tiny bit smaller because it is on the further end of his face. Alright, let's add some details to the eyes. So a line over here, a line over here, and then let's draw an oval and a smaller oval, an oval and a smaller oval. Let's draw Charmander's mouth. And we want to add some teeth. So 1 and 2 teeth first. And then we're going to make sure his smile is big and wide and add more teeth at the bottom. 1 and 2. Lastly, we'll finish up with 2 curved lines for his nose, and then we can start outlining. Let's get our trusty marker and outline all of the lines that we made. Perfect! Now let's get into coloring. Charmander has a very bright orange color. So let's use our orange pencil and let's color our Charmander. Some parts of Charmander are yellow. Let's color some yellow and the yellow parts of Charmander. Alright, now let's continue with the orange. Now it's time for the fire. Let's color the inside of Charmander's mouth pink and his eyes a bright blue. Alright, let's add some rosy cheeks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's add a little more shading. Let's add some lines, some bubbles, and there you have Charmander. I hope you had fun with this doodle, and stay tuned for more doodles like this with Art Buds. Bye!